Welcome back, my patrons. Sourcing time with retail arbitrage. I'm gonna start with Morrisons. Notice that there is some Lego on clearance, so we're gonna pick it up.
Holy moly!
Crazy reduction in price. So what Amazon showing to us? Sales rank is crazy good. Plenty reviews, selling for 39, almost 40 pounds. Crazy good. What is the profits? Paying 16.25, so almost 16 pounds profits. Crazy good. This one going into the trolley. And this is retired Lego sets, meaning it's not manufacturing anymore. So prices on these ones only going up, not down. So crazy good pick. Quick check on hidden ones. Maybe there is some extra. Nothing more. Okay, let's move on. Nothing more found in this one store, only this pile, so it's quite good pile. And taking receipt, VAT receipt, so VAT receipts can be given at checkout itself. Weather is very bad, but with Lego deals, always positivity. Different place, different Morrisons, let's go in. Shame that Morrisons don't have personal scanners in store, so we cannot scan everything properly, but sometimes you can catch great deals and on the shelf itself.
Yahoo!
You just look at that. £10 50 pence. Okay, what we got? Fortnite. Let's scan it with the Amazon app, what it's showing to us. Selling for 35. Okay, one issue, required approval. Okay, let's try it. Okay, we're done. Cool. Okay, so we putting 10.50. What we got? Ho ho ho, 16 pounds in profits. Nice. Come to Papa. Shame only one. This is a mistake. This is not the same item, so it's wrong item. I just realized it later on after trying to pay for that. So what else we got? Okay, these ones, £9. And Amazon showing data, selling for 20. That's quite good. Required approval. Okay, let's try it. So request approval. Okay, approve it straight away. Nice. Again, about £4 profits. Why not? Come to Papa. And I want to tell you guys, with all this inventory what I'm picking right now, I'm gonna do a small experiment. I'm gonna hold for a couple of months and I'm gonna check what's going on in the price. Some of them should be bouncing up in price heavily, so we're gonna see it later on. Just keep watching. I'm gonna provide this information at the end of the video. It's gonna be very interesting. These ones looks like loaded fully on the shelves, so that's nice. Let's pick it up everything. Almost full trolley will be only from these ones. I think it's enough for me, so leaving this one. Let's pay it. Again, VAT receipt at checkout itself, so very easy. Let's go. Next location, another Morrisons. Let's go in. No Legos in this one, but I noticed Playmobil set. This one with white ambulance. And let's check the prices. Okay, crazy good price, £53 selling. Sales rank is kinda alright, it's selling. Okay, 21 paying price, profits is 21. Wow, this is huge amounts of profits. Nice. But only one we got. Anyways, still good. These old ones, it's not so great on Amazon. For 21, it's not enough for us to make some money. So let's roll it. Decided to go in local Asda at my area and noticed some grocery stuff on clearance. So these coffee packs, 170 reduction in price, and they got lots of them. We got two different options. Let's scan it and check what we got here. Expiration dates left about 2-3 months, so for me it's enough time. Like you see, we got pack of 6 and pack of 2. My interest is in pack of 2. So let's see what we got. $12.99 selling. Sales rank is good. Okay, looks alright this one. Okay, selling price, purchase price $3.40. So $3.60 we're making. That's quite nice. Another one, different packaging but the same item. Okay, purchasing price is $1.70. We're making over £3. Yes, why not? Taking all of them. Another location. I like this area a lot because this store provides me constantly with crazy reductions on electronics like this one, and it's only $13.65. Let's see, Amazon requires approval again. I don't know why Amazon kicks me with this approval. What about profits? Let's check quickly. We're paying $13.65. $5.90. Request approval. Okay, approval, that's good. And it's gonna be £10.50 because I was checking at checkout and it's on reduction even more, so we're making £9 profits. Very good. So this bad boy comes into the trolley and all the rest. Great. At the bottom shelf we got even more. Nice. In total 5 items for £10.50. I'm gonna show you at checkout. It's gonna show us different pricing compared to what's on shelf itself. And like we see, dryer shows £10.50, quantity 5 units, so great. And everything is at my unit. So this is all pile from what I did a couple of months ago. So I was waiting, like I said, I'm gonna wait a little bit longer and check what's happening with the prices on each of these items, and it should be very interesting for you. So let's check it with my computer. We're gonna use Buybot Pro for deeper charts analysis, and we're gonna see some interesting stuff in it. These Harry Potter Lego should be crazy good. So some Fortnite, one Playmobil, only one, and loads of these ones. Let's dig it. Like you see, everything is ready on my seller central account, and this one is okay already. In prices up, 47 showing. Nice. Before that was 39 at that moment, so price is only climbing up. Let's load it up. Inputs. Okay, sales history shows very good, excellent. Like you see, loads of sales doing this one, ASIN. Profits are 16.30. Nice. Very great. If you are new seller, so basically you are 0 VAT register will be, so you're making even more, over 20 pounds in profits. What about the charts? Charts showing still stability. Even this Lego set is not manufacturing anymore. Okay, let's dig deeper. Still not big bounce up, but it is a little bit from previous when Amazon was selling. So looks like we got pattern going up. This seller with 970 is merchant fulfillment, only 15 reviews, so it's new seller, so he can manipulate these numbers. So I'm not sure if he is actually got this 970. Anyways, whatever it is, I'm keeping this Lego sets to myself for future sales, because I'm gonna try to hold till it's selling for 100 pounds or even more, and it's big possibility it's gonna be like that at some point. So this one is done. Fortnite again, 49.99, so again huge price increase. Let's check deeper. What we got? We got lost data. There is no data, is lost data, meaning most likely sales rank. Yes, sales rank is missing, so Amazon not providing sales rank. So we got reviews, we got ratings, loads of them, and big numbers, so meaning item it's selling. If there is no reviews or no ratings, means not selling at all, nothing. So this one is making 21 pounds. If you are 0 not VAT register, you're making even more, crazy more. Crazy good. And let's check the chart. We got Amazon with 1 item inventory showing. Again, it can be manipulation on numbers, because looks like it's sitting a little bit Amazon on this one, so I'm not sure about this 1 number inventory. But again, it's sitting on the 50 pounds levels. That's good. So we can reduce the price a little bit. And looks like this item is only going up constantly. So nothing much bad in it. Looks like good. We can make some nice profit on it. Shame we got only 1 item. So next one, Tony and Guy dryer. Again, we got a little bit increase in price, not a lot, so nothing much big difference. 28, it's good. We paid only 10 pounds 50 pence. So we're making some healthy profits on it. Anyways, I was expecting price spike up, but it's just sitting at these levels. If you're not VAT registered, you're making even more. Like you see, it's quite healthy profits. Good. Selling loads of them. So what we got on the chart itself? Okay, Amazon going all over in price. Okay, 2 left inventory. Again, we're not sure, because everyone can manipulate these numbers, but it's showing 2, so not big competition, but looks like Amazon constantly sitting on it. There is one gap which out of stock, but not a lot. And competition is out almost. That's good signs. So again, making healthy profits. This one, Playmobil, what we got with this one? Okay, price drop is crazy low. Okay, we're not making nothing on it right now. Okay, selling for 27, that's very low. That's too much low for us to make something. Sales history is quite a lot selling. So what we got in minus, we already in minus. Same goes to new sellers. Again, nothing good in it. Sales charts, let's see what it's showing to us. Loads of competition on it. Okay, bigger frame. Okay, so this is our chart. We got in 1 year chart, we got 2 big spikes at 50 pounds levels, so meaning it can repeat itself at some points. So this one, previous one, was Christmas periods, and one we got before that, August. Okay, interesting. Lots of competition. So basically I'm gonna sit on this one because I cannot do nothing right now. Just sit and wait till again we're spiking up the prices. And our Puff Patrol, what we got? Nothing changed in it. So this one, stability showing. Nothing changed in this one. So paying £9, selling for $19.99. So it was 20. So it's basically the same price sitting. Again, missing data. What it's showing to us? Missing no sales rank. So okay, Amazon not providing sales rank, but we got loads of reviews, ratings, so meaning item is selling, people leaving reviews, meaning it's selling a lot. Okay, again, low, very low inventory numbers. Not sure is that true or not. Let's check deeper chart. So looks like we had at 28 pounds levels, 25 pounds levels, buy box positions. So you can catch on higher prices, but like you see, Amazon sitting on it constantly, so there was no point to sit on it longer for expectations in price increase. You as new seller, non-VAT register, making about 460. Me personally, it's gonna be about £4 maybe. So nothing much, but anyways, profits are profits. So this is how it looks. So Playmobil, this bad boy, living for longer, for price jumps. These Patrol ones going. Lego sets going into my personal collection, because this one is, I'm not releasing without £100 each. Dryers going into FBA, Fortnite 2, so half and half, let's see. And this is how it looks when you're holding your inventory for a couple of months or even longer, especially Lego sets. Retired Lego sets always going up in price. Don't forget to check my other sourcing videos at the end of this one. Till next time.